guys, so I was just playing Asphalt 9. I bought something for $2 with my dad's permission, and I just got my sister. I just got this. One blueprint for the McLaren, 1,000 credits. I got 4 blueprints for the GTR, which I've already unlocked. I think it's 3 or 4 star the Dodge Viper. 2 blueprints for the Jinta G60. 2 blueprints for the TVR Griff, whatever. And then another 3 blueprints for the P1. And then 75 credit. Not credit, sorry. 3 star, there you go. 81 credit. Why am I can't speak. 81 tokens there. Sorry, it's early in the morning and I'm just tired. So yeah, I'm not gonna buy it again, but that was a really good pack. And also, look at what we have in the store, the new Ford GT. And I got 3 blueprints for that car as well. And then we got some GTR blueprints for 108 tokens, which no. I might buy. Last time I did this, I got 3 blueprints for the GT, but I'm gonna do it. Bad. Okay, never mind. And we're left with 12, sadly. And yes, I have indeed to start my Volcan. But yeah. And I worked so hard yesterday morning. I got up at like 6. And I unlocked the GTR. Finally, and it's my favorite car. I'm only disappointed because the only thing that I'm really disappointed with this car is that you can't like do custom colors because it's a Nismo, but I really, yeah. And if you've been noticing in all of my Asphalt 9 videos, you should be able to see that like red, okay, red. We got red. We got red. We got red. We got red. And then we got red for the GTI, and then we got like red for every single car. And I've also recently maxed this car out as well. Oh, sorry. This one I've maxed out as well, red. And I've body kitted this one up. As you can see, it looks low as hell. Like, look at that. Body parts. Hood. We got carbon. And we've already got, like, basically got double carbon. We got, it has a little, like, lip there. Then we got the spoiler, carbon. Roof, we haven't got anything for the roof. We've got something for the sides. Carbon that just lowers it down. It makes it look so good. Haven't got, oh, sorry, yes we do. It makes it have like a little wing at the bottom. And the rear, we've got carbon, which adds like 2 vents. And that looks so crazy. Another thing is, you might have noticed on my Mitsubishi, which I have like maxed out, nearly everything is maxed out, like top speed, and this, I just need acceleration. Okay, so I need 4 more, and then 1 more of that. So then I've nearly maxed this entire thing out, gold max, nearly. But this, I've body kitted this up, the front, but it looks so good. Like, look at that front. I mean, excuse me. In my opinion, it looks okay. I don't play multiplayer, you may know, because I'm 11 years old. And yeah, so sadly I can't get like stuff like this, but I just have to win it from like card packs. I'll show you not my real special events like here view like this like card pack. I just get like stuff like this and like yeah 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I have 11 more to get for any car. And look, so we get body, yeah, like look, all along here. Like before all these new cars came, you could get body parts for where's this car, the Lamborghini, the first one. Wait, I wanna see what they look like. Ooh, that looks nice. What about trunk? That's just weird, like having that. That is just weird as hell. Oh my god. What about yo? They that's like the biggest black lip spoiler ever. Like that. That's a nice carbon fiber spoiler. Like if I unlock that, I would love that. Definitely love that. What about the roof? Oh, it just adds a little vent, carbon fiber vent. What about the side? Oh my! It changes the entire back fender. The fenders. Oh my god! And the lip. Like watch. So this is original carbon. It adds like a little lip down there. Then that changes the entire back side. Yeah, it changes the back like around here. Holy! And it makes it lower. Damn. Then front carbon. Oh, it adds like a little. Oh, my dad hates them. Oh, adds one of them, and then oh my god, that the GTR has that. That is sick. Oh my god. What about rear? Oh no, no. Yeah, no. Oh no. That is big. Wow. Holy moly. And I'm nearly 4-star it as well. See, I told you I had 3 blueprints. Oh my god. Oh, and also I forgot to tell you, I unlocked the LaFerrari as well. And yes, this is red as well. And this is not the original color. See, I'm on this one. And I'd probably rather that one, actually. So yeah, this is my cars. These are all my cars. And you might remember the Aston Martin video where I landed on the train. This is probably my favorite car I have. So that one, and also where is it? What else is it? No, wait. So the Dodge Viper ACR car, the GTR, and my Aventador. That I worked my ass off to get this, and I've nearly 3-starred it as well. Can't wait to get it to Golden Max. And then this is my second best car, the Centenario. I'm not, I've seen, I'm pretty sure that my friend has seen one of these at like a Lamborghini show. He went to America. But yeah. And I nearly 2-starred that, but yeah. I've got 6 blueprints for the Veneno. It's a weird looking Lambo, I don't know. And also, you may notice, no one has probably ever noticed this, but let me go show you. So, this is a Lotus, right? And there's 3 Lotuses in the game. So I've got 1 Lotus, 2. But where's that other one? You may notice that there's no other one. And trust me, it's a secret car. Like the like this one, like on this version, I get blueprints from it like this. But yeah, so yeah, and I really like this car. Like this is like nice, like the blue seats with that white stripe going down the middle. Let's just look at that. That is like really nice, and the red brake calipers as well. I've seen exhaust pipes come off these, like 2 of them or 1 of them. They're revving so loud that happens. And yeah. So anyway, see you guys in the next video.